Hey friends, Mr. Stevey here. Today's exercise is so much fun, you'll want to grab some bubble wrap. Just kidding. We're going to pretend we have bubble wrap right here in our hands. But why bubble wrap? Well, have you ever noticed how satisfying it is to pop those little bubbles? It's like releasing all the tension and worries in one satisfying pop. And that's exactly what we're going to do with our breath today. So, imagine you're holding a giant sheet of bubble wrap. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly with air like you're inflating a giant balloon. Feel your tummy getting nice and round, like this. Now, slowly let the air out of your mouth, making a popping sound with your lips. Pop. Just like you're bursting those bubble wrap bubbles. Like this, friends. Remember, friends, we're not blowing out birthday candles here. It's a slow, gentle pop, like a whisper on the wind. Keep popping those bubbles, one breath at a time. Let's make things even more fun. Let's try counting our pops. See how many bubbles you can pop in one breath. Or pretend your breath is magic and the bubbles you pop turn into sparkling butterflies that fly away. You can even make different popping sounds. A high-pitched eek for tiny bubbles, or a deep, booming poof for the giant ones. Let your imagination run wild. See how easy it is to turn your breath into a fun game? Bubble wrap breathing is a great way to calm down, focus your mind, and release any worries you might be holding on to. So, the next time you feel stressed, grab some imaginary bubble wrap and pop your worries away. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun breathing exercises. And let me know in the comments what your favorite popping sound is. And until next time, stay calm, friends.